you guys. What happened? Yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear me? Okay. Prachila was telling that something that you wanted to explain. She said, Drag, you wanted to explain something.
Just give me a second. I'm trying to get connected to my Bluetooth and it's creating some issue.
Hmm.
I'm just trying to say that this boy, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, again.
So this boy cries at night a
Yeah.
lot.
Okay.
He howls.
Every day.
So where, no, quite many times.
Okay.
Yeah.
It may be he's seeing any dreams, uncomfortability in the physical uncomfortability or anything like that. Maybe there or dream. He may be seeing
So
dream.
he doesn't, he doesn't, he can't tell his mother what is wrong. So it's not about dreams only. I think he feels depressed or something like that. So वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. That's why I wanted to, तभी I wanted to open his account in speciality, right? Specially.
Okay.
So when you showed me just now what we
Yeah.
just spoke about,
Yeah.
right?
Emotional maturity. That is the training area for him. Actually, it is quite less. It is less for him.
Okay.
Emotional maturity is.
Okay.
Of course, but I was telling you something while we got disconnected, that this is the time that people develop more connections in their brain, and also a lot of connections will be dropped out. What is already existing, because they are getting. He is also 9 years, I think. No, he is 9 years. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this report can change later. After some time, this report can change. This is as per the current scenario, but I'm sure this is getting changed now because this the age is like that, and a lot of connections are getting created in the brain. No, and
Okay.
so maybe that can be one of the reasons. There are different stages in life wherein the connections are being cropped in the brain, and new neural pathways will be created. Especially, so what happens is normally even before when you are in the womb of the mother, there are some connections created, but when you come out, the total different environment you are looking at, and the baby will be feeling, and there'll be some immediate connection changes. And again at the age of 4, again at the age of 4 5, depend it can change depending on the person, but approximately at the age of 4, again there will be a lot of changes, and now that you will see the child is very cranky
So okay.
at that time.
So I have a question here.
Yeah.
Is it possible,
Yeah.
Prachara, you also please try to give me your input. Is it possible that because he's trying to act too mature, too composed, too control, he's controlling everything, right? Maybe that is what is building the burden on him.
Possible, yeah, that is possible, because we have seen earlier that he wanted change every time, and also he is very adamant, right? He is very adamant. Yeah. So these mix of these things can create problems.
So, Rakhi, are you saying he has a high need for control?
Yes, maybe. Or yeah, I think you need to control everything.
वो मुझे ना उसके behavior से लग रहा था.
He wants things to go his way.
That is what quite adamant and rigid.
Even that is what the report is saying. He's so composed. His everything is under his control. Can you see it? For a 9-year-old, everything is under his control. Okay, so I'm good about this. Can I go to another
Another report.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agastya.
Agastya. Okay.
I just want to give I want to see because these are the first ones, and I just want to go along with you to understand them.
Yeah.
One by one, maybe just the passing the reference.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here, Agastya. Agastya is here. Yeah. His requirement is again decision making and critical thinking and creative thinking. So all this area is except self-awareness, most of the areas needs improvement in this case.
Hmm.
You know, these are the development. And when you look at down here, you see these areas are quite low percentage, low trade value. Trade values are quite low here. You can see here down. This is okay. Self-awareness is quite okay. But whereas this is, only 2 are okay out of 5. 3 needs improvement, like workable solutions, identifying and stating problems, view problems as a stepping stone. All these need improvement. And critical thinking also. Critical thinking is the most, out of 5, 4 need to be improved for him.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So that is so. And even when you look at social skills, it's almost okay. I should say no need to touch this now, right, for the time being. Maybe later. He's also 9 years, right? 9 years or 10 years?
Yeah.
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 So nothing must change here unless, because it's
Yeah.
only quite good. No, 56 and this one, no need to change anything. In
Yeah. Yeah.
This first side is this area you need to look into. His critical and problem solving, these two things.
Cool. Decision making,
Decision
critical
making.
thinking, and
Creative thinking you don't need to for the time being.
Work on. Right.
Yeah,
But you need to maybe when we talk about critical thinking, we can also say look at it as in you need to have different options or different solutions to similar problems.
That will come under the problem solving. That will come under problem solving that you have to look into.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So it is here now, finds workable solutions. That is an area for improvement.
Okay.
Then comes to critical thinking, as we have seen here. So create choices and all that is part of that.
I'm good about it. Go down. I'm good about it.
Okay. Then emotional managing. This also I suggest not to touch much on this now, because he is also getting changed. He is also getting changed. But whereas the first thing, that is the thinking skill, you have to improve. That is what you need to improve right now at this moment. His thinking skill, because he is in the right time now to improve that. This can be done later also, not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah. And also not very less. So almost 50%. Almost, we say almost 50% is okay with that.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Go down so that I can just have a. Okay.
Managing emotions, dealing with stress. 3 things are there, but as I suggest now, better don't touch here this area now for the time being. You focus on the thinking area. Because
why?
Because he is also in the changing side now. He's also getting changed. His age is like that. It is not the concrete neural connections that he has developed so far.
So, but John.
Yeah.
See, when parents come to us, they come to us asking that we want our kids to need them to be little emotionally strong, right?
Yeah.
Can you go up? Where we were? Dealing with stress, especially, right?
Yeah.
Stress is one of the major issues even today. Yeah.
Yeah. What I said is, I did not say that you should not do anything for that. What I suggested is, when you make
not to go too deep into it, right?
Yes. Because when you correct the first area, critical the thinking side, no, then naturally
this will
change. So better don't go into this in detail now. Later you can look into later again. If there is a problem, then you can look into that. But right now, when you correct that, this may automatically correct it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
And
so let's go.
Also, one more thing I want to say generally. When you look here, this are you aware of this one? VAK analysis, that is kinesthetic, visual, and
auditory. So kinesthetic is somebody who needs both, right?
No. Kinesthetic means he is more, it thinks more into it with feeling. He's thinking more or acting more with feeling.
Okay, that's a feeling guy. Okay.
Understand information through feelings.
Also, kinesthetics also means hands-on learning.
Exactly,
You
exactly,
will,
exactly,
yeah.
exactly. So similarly, so it means when you talk to him or interact with him, do that through with more of experiential learning, as well as through with do with more of emotions to him. You know.
Okay, got it.
So empathy, and that way he can understand and can be motivated faster. So
Cool. Let's.
the same thing you can look
Yeah.
at the other person also. You know, I mean, let's see here, Agastya. I mean, Ahim,
Yeah.
him. Let's see.
Ashish, we don't need to look at Ashish. Let's go to Krishav. Ashish is an old guy, so we want to look at just kids.
Yeah. Okay. Who Kushiva?
Yeah.
Kushi. Yeah. Here again, this thinking skill is the problem area here. Almost everything, except self-awareness is okay, but still again it is less than the other two people. As you see here, it is 59. It's okay. 60, almost 60%.
Yeah, 59 is okay. Yeah.
Yeah, 59 is okay.
But problem solving, decision making is still okay.
So this means this area. That means his right brain. I mean, left brain has to be developed. His left brain.
Rajiv वहां से off किया है.
Yeah, more of left brain is a problem, and right side is maybe better. not very good, because creative thinking is also less here. But I will not say that it is too bad. I mean, I'm not looking at this percentage. Since his left brain area is quite low, his right line may be a little better than that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So as usual, you will see the some of the areas finds. This side is quite
okay. Got it. Problem solving and all those things. I'm good about it. And can we do the last one, Girish?
Girish.
Now I understand it. I'm good about it.
Okay. Girish.
And in the end, we will open Ashish.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Girish is, I think, quite okay. I think 68, 59, 31. Decision making is one area where
I think his father did the test.
Then no point talking.
Because I can see that he's not a critical thinking person at all.
So this is very important because the father can watch him doing, but should not.
But I think he must have told him, this is what it is. This is how. So when child understands the tone of the parent, also the child clicks accordingly, right?
That is not good. They should only silently watch. They can look at the questions. It's also good to know the questions. What are the questions being asked? That's okay, but should not interfere in the answers.
Yeah, got it. So can we go down? I just want to have a rough look at it.
Yeah.
He's also visual and kinesthetic.
He is more of kinesthetic and visual. Auditory is quite less.
Yeah, so he doesn't.
Yeah.
His listening skills are very bad. Do you mean to say that?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
When we say listening, you also must
understand. It also means that if you just tell him something, he will not pick it up. It has to be something that he sees or something that he touches and feels.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That is true. And
so only listening doesn't work for him.
Yeah, and one more thing I want to say here. When we say listening, it is not only the audio. Okay. When the observation, observing the other person, everything. Observing the person, many things are there in listening. Whatever you can listen to. It's not only audio. It's not only audio, but mainly it is audio. For example, in communication, when you want to communicate properly to a person, second person, then we also look at the person's physical nature, isn't it? The physical nature that also will tell a lot of things to us. Even though he doesn't talk, by looking at his air and manner and the way he sits, his body language. So what of this? Even his breathing style can give a lot of information. So all these are listening skill, in fact, but mostly we are talking about audio listening, but this is also part of it.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Ashish.
Ashish.
Prachula, we got this guy on board for coaching. You remember?
This
Are you
person.
listening, Prachula? Can you hear me?
Yeah, which guy?
Ashish.
This Ashish. So we got him as a coach. He's got a coaching experience of almost 15 years.
Yeah. Yes. अच्छा उसका कराया है?
मैंने कराया था एक टेस्ट उसका because I wanted to see बड़ों के साथ कैसा आता है. Do you understand? I need to understand that also, no? Okay.
So this is also, so is he a student or child or a mature person?
No, he's an old man.
Old man.
He's
okay.
an old man.
Okay. So this is also, we say, quite okay. Not very good, but
Yeah. मेरा तो कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं आएगा. John, don't worry. I will be too contradicting. I know. So cool. Okay.
So now you understood, no, how to look at the report.
Yeah, I'm good about it. Thank you so much. I'm good about it.
Yeah,
So
welcome.
please send me the recording, right?
I'll send you that.
Yeah. Thank you, John.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Prachula, I want you to come on. I will talk to you. I'll just send a message in the group. Thank you, John. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.